Hi everyone. The Chinese electric car manufacturer Nio has started series production of its ET7 electric sedan. The ET7 is rolling off the production line at the Nio and JAC plant in Hefei and will be delivered in China from 28 March. Ramping up production is rather important for the Chinese manufacturer at the moment, as the Nio ET7 will also be offered in Europe before the end of the year. Nio has stated that their core task of the mass production phase is to gradually increase the production speed to meet the requirements of mass production and to ensure that the quality of all ET7 components and the whole vehicle meet the requirements of the production part approval process. Deliveries for the ET7 electric sedan are to begin on March 28, with the note that deliveries will vary by region due to the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic. At launch, Nio is offering two versions of the model, the general version and the first edition, available for pre-subsidy prices of $70,300 and $82,668, respectively. Another option is available for the battery, if customers choose the battery rental service BAS, battery as a service. The starting price will be reduced by at least $11,000. While the range is going to be affected by the battery capacity chosen, the rest of the technical specifications for the sedan are known. The ET7 has an all-wheel drive system that produces 480 kilowatts and 850 Nm of torque. The engine on the front axle delivers 180 kilowatts and the one on the rear axle 300 kilowatts. The ET7 is said to accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h in 3.9 seconds. In terms of range, Nio puts the achievable range at more than 500, 700 and 1000 km for the 70 kWh, 100 kWh and 150 kWh battery options, respectively, keeping in mind that this is based on the outdated and unrealistic net test cycle.